Everyone, today is Monday, November 30th at 11 a.m. Today is technically Cyber Monday. So a couple house cleaning things I want to get through before we talk about this Nikola trade is last week for Black Friday, we ran a 3-day free trial into MIC. And, we were kind of overwhelmed with how many people came in the door. And we were actually really excited to see how many people stayed, right? Because what we pride ourselves on at our community is our retention rate. How many members join and how many members stay, right? There's other communities that people come in and out, in and out, in and out. But we're very happy that, once a member joins, there's pretty much a 90% chance that they stay. The 10% chance that they leave is because they're looking for alerts and they're in the wrong place. So we're really happy, really excited to see that you guys really enjoyed our Black Friday. You guys love the community and you guys love seeing what we're doing inside the community. I mean, today the watch list paid for 2 stocks. It still blows my mind that people join MIC and they don't really follow the watch list. I mean, there's 2 to 3 trades in there every single day that are easy money if you are able to nail them. So that's that. In terms of Cyber Monday, we don't really have any types of promotions. I talked to Tosh, and I want to see if there was anything we could do. And the only thing that we kind of came up with that we thought was fair was we're going to start to discount the accelerator course. So if you guys don't know, the accelerator course is a 7-hour course that takes you from not knowing anything about trading to placing your first trade in 7 hours. Normally, we charge $1,400 for this course. But today only for Cyber Monday, we're going to do $497. So you can get the entire course, everything, 7 hours. This is basically going to give you your foundation as a trader for only $497. So if you're interested in that Cyber Monday deal, text Tosh at 213-458-5997. Text him saying Cyber Monday, and he'll kind of explain to you and let you guys know what's in there and what we have to offer. The free 3-day trial, people are asking us to open it up again. And truth be told, we're probably never going to do a free trial ever again. It's a lot of work, and it's a big opportunity, and we don't want to kind of spoil everyone with it. So for those that joined during the Black Friday promotion, congrats. For those that didn't, you guys missed out. So let's talk about trading today, guys. So as we always say, your trading for the today starts the day before, right? So when MIC first started, we always talked about the process. What is your process? What is your routine? And at first, everyone laughed at us. They said, you don't know what you're talking about. You guys have no idea. Now everyone is saying that they've been preaching the process for 10 years. So it just goes to show that MIC is the leader and everyone else is following. And we have no problem being the trendsetters. So what is your process, guys? A process is a routine that you follow every single morning to help you consistently make money in the market, right? And the process that me and Bao have, the process that we educate our members on, is the same process that we use. So unlike other people, we are actually teaching you what we are using to make money, right? So our process is very simple, right? And we have videos on it, we have everything on it. And I could just give you the very quick recap of it is we're looking for stocks that are high percentage gainers. We're looking for stocks that have dilution. That means they could dump shares. We're looking for charts that are broken in the morning and looking to piggyback those trends. We are looking for strong stocks that are holding and joining those trends higher after 10:30. So I don't want to really get into all this nitty gritty stuff because we have hundreds of videos. You could just type in My Investing Club process on YouTube and you could find it. But every single day when I come to the market, I pretty much don't know what I'm going to trade, right? I think making a watch list the night before is obsolete because you never know what type of news there's going to be in the morning, if there's going to be a gap up, gap down. So what I like to do, guys, is I wake up early in the morning. I wake up at 4 in the morning, 4 to 5 in the morning, every single morning. And the reason why I do this is because this is what time pre-market opens. Pre-market opens at 4 a.m. It does not mean you have the ability to trade at 4 a.m. It just means that 4 a.m. is when pre-market opens. So what I do is from 4 a.m. until the time that you wake up, I am awake looking at the stocks. I am awake doing the research on the stocks. I am awake drawing the lines on the stocks. So I do all this work and all this research and all the stock selection so that the MIC members do not have to, right? So when you join MIC, I'm basically doing all the research. I'm doing all the lines. I'm basically giving you my plan. And it's up to you to either follow that plan or if you have your own plan to be able to compare it and do it yourself. So I wake up early so that the members don't have to do as much work, right? So that's number one. So I wake up in the morning, I see which stocks are gapping up, which stocks are gapping down, what's the news, what do I have to do, this and that. And then when I do that, I create a watch list for our members. So before I go any further, let me kind of show you guys the watch list today and we could kind of take it from there, right? So let's go to our morning watch list, guys. So if we go to the morning watch list, this is my video watch list of the day. Okay, so let's start with ORMP, where this one kind of takes pre-market. So forget that. SPCV, waiting for a death candle, then we'll look to short pops in the morning. So basically, if you look at SPCB in the morning, we basically had this death candle in the morning, and then it went straight down all day, right? So we basically just waited for the death candle, and we got straight down. If we look at SNSS, possible death line if it breaks 205. So let me go to SNSS. Oops, SNSS. So SNSS possible short if it breaks the 205 death line. So we broke the 205 death line, and we've been straight down since, right? IGC looking for a bounce towards 245, 250 with a 270 stop. So we got 245 to 250. It did not hit our stop, and we went straight down. And then PLTR 30 to 31 to short. PLTR, what do we get? We got 30 on the dot short, and now we're at 26. So out of the watch list, you had approximately 4 trades to make money on if you just follow the watch list. Those 4 trades that you make money on pays for your annual membership in just one day, guys. So everyone that joined during the Black Friday promotion, had they just followed the watch list today, you would have made a year's worth of education in one day. And that's why I want to showcase the watch list for you guys so that you guys could see that every single day it is pre-planned, and all we have to do is follow that plan. There's 3 to 5 actionable trades that you could make money on every single day, guys. And here's the thing, right? The reason why the watch list is so good, because I wake up so early to make sure that I get rid of the bullshit and only give you guys the best setups that I think I can make money on. There's other people that show 10, 20, 30 stocks, and one of them hits and they say, look, they're rich, right? We called it. Out of 45 stocks, we called one stock moving. But what I like to do is I like to give you guys the purest form of it, right? I want to give you guys the least amount of tickers so that you could focus on only the best setups, right? And that's what we pride ourselves on here, is the best setups only. So that was number one. That was everything on the watch list today, which was PLTR, you could have made money on. SNSS on the death line, you could have made money on. There was money to be made on all those stocks. So you could look in the watch list, and I'm not really going to be talking about that stuff because it's in the watch list. And the crazy part is today was Monday. The video before this, the watch list was free. So my fucking dumb ass made this watch list free for you guys. I still don't know why I'm fucking doing this stuff, but I mean, if you guys are not really taking advantage of all the free stuff that we are giving you, I mean, like you're pretty much doomed, to be honest, because no one else is going to give like we do, and no one else is going to give quality like we do. So today was a good day in terms of watch list. Today was a good day in terms of commentary. So let's talk about Nikola and how I was able to make 30 grand on it today, which fucking crazy. So when I came into the morning today, right? When I came into the morning, I knew based on the research that I did this morning that there was a lockup expiration on Nikola, right? So what is a lockup expiration, and how can you take advantage of it, and how can you make money on it, right? So when a company IPOs or when a company lists on the market, right, the insiders that own the stock, or the insiders like the CEO, CFO, whatever, they are locked up for maybe 6 months or a year or 2 years or 5 years or whatever it is, that they are not allowed to sell their shares on the open market, right? Because the way the stock market works is all based on supply and demand. If there's too much supply from the CEO or CFO that wants to dump shares, the price is going to go down. So a lockup expiration is meant to make sure that there's not too much supply entering the market at the same time, so that the stock has a way of organically and fluidly moving up or down, right? So a lockup expiration is usually a very bearish signal, which means that today is a day that the CEO, the CFO, the CTO, COO, whatever the hell you want, whatever O, is allowed to dump their shares in the open market, right? And I don't know if you guys have been following the headlines on Nikola and what's been happening, but this company is pretty much a scam. This company doesn't really have a product. I think there was a video leak that they were pushing their semi truck down a hill. So this is a bullshit company that has bullshit headlines and bullshit everything. So wouldn't you think that on the day that there is a lockup expiration, that this bullshit company would want to cash out their billions of dollars worth of shares, right? If I'm the CEO of a shitty company or a fake company and my stock was basically pumped based on hype, when the lockup comes, I'm going to want to cash in, right? So already we had a thesis, right? Our thesis today was that Nikola was going to tank based on the lockup expiration, based on all the negative news and negative catalysts. They just want to take some of their money, right? But today was actually different because we had a gift. There was a pump PR early in the morning, right? So oftentimes what happens on these lockup expirations is the stock goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. And then the day before or the day of, they release a pump PR to trap shorts, to squeeze shorts, to get the price higher so that they could dump, 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 right? So today we got very lucky. Today they had a pump PR that didn't really read too well. It was basically saying that GM has a non-binding agreement with Nikola, that they kind of screwed up, but they don't really know. They're just trying to sweep it under the rug. So we got a big jump from like 25 to 35 on just the algos buying up the headline of GM and Nikola. And then when the algos start to read between the lines, it start to sell, 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 right? So we had a lockup expiration combined with a pump PR. That to me, that to me was a very clear signal that this stock, once it conformed, was probably going to go red and find its way lower, guys, right? So what did I do? It's actually funny because, give me a second, let me find the photo. I was actually able to short Nikola, and I made about $11 a share on it. So if you look at this, I basically, oops, I don't know if it's showing. I basically shorted at 38.97, and I got out of most of my size at 27.75. So I was able to make almost $11 a share just because that trade was pre-planned, right, guys? So let me just kind of fix up this. Oh, I think I just broke my selfie stick. Well, that's nice. All right, well, I just broke my selfie stick, so I'm just going to be using this for now on. But do you guys see what I'm talking about here? Every trade that we have, there's a thesis behind it. We want to pre-plan our trades. We want to make sure that our trades are making sense before we take them. So today on Nikola, when I saw an opportunity like that it was the lockup expiration and they had a pump PR, I just started adding to my winner. That's all it was. We have something in MIC that we talk about is adding to a winner. In trading, you never want to add to your losing trades. You only want to add to your winning trades. So if you are struggling with sizing in, or if you're struggling as a trader right now, I ask you, I challenge you, are you sizing in on your losing trades to revenge trade them? Or are you only sizing into your winning trades? For me today, I am doing very well, sticking to the process, following the trades. SNSS was a death line, Nikola was a lockup expiration, ORMP was a short into resistance, SPCB was a short into resistance. So every single day, guys, every single day, it's the same thing over and over again. And people ask us, like, why do you guys keep talking about the same shit? It's because the same shit works. We trade in the morning, we research in the morning, we do all the hard work, and then at 10:30, we walk away. I am officially done for the day. I'm done trading for the day. You can't fucking pay me enough to start trading again for the day, right? And then what do I do with my free time? With my free time, I go back and I help the members, right? There's members that are making money, there's members that are losing money, there's people that are struggling. So I do my best to be able to help these guys while also locking it up for the day. So do you guys see everyone that came for the black trial, everyone that's here, they now see our process, right? A lot of people think this stuff is too good to be true. A lot of people think it can't be real, but every single day, here we are showing you that it is real. We're showing you the profits, and we are showing you what is possible by just trading 1 hour a day. It is not fucking impossible, but I have been trading for almost 7 years now, right? So 7 years I've dedicated myself to this. So someone that's been trading for 7 days or 7 weeks or 7 months is not going to have the same results. But I promise you that if you join MIC and you follow the watch list, you will make more money than 90% of the traders. The watch list is there every single day, guys, every single day. And today it was free. So I don't know what more we could do. We gave you guys free trials. We gave you guys discounts. And truth be told, we are raising our prices in 2021, guys. So I didn't want to announce this until later, but coming in 2021, our price of the monthly, annual, and lifetime is going to be raised because we have so much quality and so much value, and we're giving you guys such a great price, and no one really cares. No one's even following. No one even listens. So why should we continue to give you guys our secret? Continue to work our asses off when people do not value it, right? I did a video watch list 3 days a week, and now I'm doing it 2 days a week because people don't care about it anymore, right? So do you guys have any questions for me? We'll do a brief Q&A right now. And while we do a brief Q&A, let me just go on Amazon real quick and buy a selfie stick. Any questions, guys? Nikola, where did I take profits? Exactly where I posted. I think it was like 27s. So I left about $8 on the table. Selfie stick with expandable stick. 23 bucks. Is that a good deal? 40-inch expandable? Shit. What was my strategy for Nikola? Did you listen 10 minutes ago, bro? Jesus. All right, questions. Thanks, that Ron. Hey, Alex, I have a small account. Big issue that I need to be a sniper with my trades. Only look for the best setups. Focus on the low-hanging fruit and focus on the deathline setups only. If you just waited for deathline setup on SNSS today, you would have just nailed it. 205 was the deathline, and now it hit as low as 175. Why does every single stock bounce back after 1045? That is called the zombie rule, my friend. I'm not going to talk about it. You can watch the 150 videos we have on the zombie rule. Thoughts on Moderna? I got no idea. All I know on that company is it's been going straight up because of COVID. So I don't really want to mess with it. Current members that are in the club will be grandfathered into normal pricing. So when we raise the price, it'll only be new members that pay for that upgraded price. Alex, your watch list postings are terrific and very helpful as MIC student. Thanks for watching them, bro. Are you making money without a beard? I guess I might have to have no beard forever now. Were you tracking Nikola before this? I was tracking it only on Friday because I knew there was a lockup coming today. How do you stay hungry every day for your level of success? Guys, I'm not doing this for the money. Honestly, like if you are doing it only for the money, you will not be successful. I trade because I'm passionate about it. I trade because I'm competitive. I trade because I love it. And I do MIC because I love giving back and I love helping members. Truth be told, 99% of the money we make on MIC goes back into marketing. Me and Bao don't make any money from MIC. All the money goes into marketing, right? To be able to eventually destroy these furus, right? Because the furus have money. The reason why they scam so many people is because they have so much money to fucking market. All of our money goes back into the business to help this grow. So no, we are not getting paid from this. We're not doing it for money. If we were doing it for money, we'd be doing less work and charging more. Again, guys, Cyber Monday, we are giving you the accelerator course for 75% off. So text Tosh at 213-458-5997 to access that. Do you guys have any other questions? This is currently the selfie stick that I'm looking at. I don't know if it's fake news or if I'm about to get scammed or if I'm just an idiot for paying 23 bucks for a selfie stick, but this was my selfie stick. I know you guys don't really give a shit. This is my oh fuck. This was my selfie stick and it just got fucking destroyed. Why you long NKLA? That was actually a fat finger long. I covered too many shares of the stock and I ended up long and I didn't even realize until it was too late. When you make your watch list, when are you reserving shares? I'm reserving shares as early as possible. If it is a day one stock, I reserve as early as possible. Maybe I could just buy the same branded selfie stick. What brand is this? Or maybe I could just go to my previous purchases. I know you guys don't really give a shit, but do you guys see what we're doing, guys? Here I am making fucking 30 grand on the day and scrolling for fucking $10 selfie sticks. This is the life of a trader, guys. And what we pride ourselves on, or what we really love, guys, is everything is pre-planned. We don't wing it. We don't show up at 1 minute before the bell and start pumping stocks. We have risk management. We teach you guys everything. And you know what? I mean, there's nothing more that we could say. We let our results show you guys what we're really all about. And it is what it is. There's a reason why when someone joins MIC that they don't leave. It's because they find value in it, right? They find value. So we're here providing you value every single day. Today, we provide you with a free video watch list that you could have made money on, yet only 800 people watched it. Whatever. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I will see you guys back in the room. If you have any questions, hit us up, 213-458-5997. And you guys have been warned. Our price raise is coming in 2021. So we'll see you guys then. And that's it. Let me know if you guys like the beard. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the beard.